Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to take a look at some trending hair transformations. The first style is going to feature this beautiful bob haircut. Beautiful blunt ends are added for this particular bob. Love the way that this frames her face, and it really just accents her features perfectly. Then we move on to look number 2, and if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So the stylist is adding in some beautiful face framing bangs with this style as well. And what's great about that hairstyle is that she can wear the bangs going down parted in the middle or flip them over to the side. Then we see this beautiful rose gold colored hair. This is by the stylist Guy Tang. If you guys aren't familiar with Guy's work, he does amazing hair color transformations. He does have a YouTube channel as well, so be sure to check him out if you want to see some inspiring hair color ideas. So here we have another transformation by Guy. This one starts off with someone who has blonde hair, and she's gonna go much more bold and vibrant. Beautiful purple and pink color. Absolutely love this transformation. And here are some other clients of his as well. You can really see that he is not afraid to stick his hands into the world of color. So we're going to see another transformation by Guy. And here we have another stunning pink and purple combination. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyles, be sure to check out this video next.